Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to build a beautiful animated Panda login page using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In this login page, the Panda actually reacts to whatever we do. It follows our cursor, it looks at the input fields when we start typing, and when we enter the password, it covers its eyes with its hands. And if we click show password button, then it even peeks with one eye by removing its hand. As you can see, it is fully responsive and the animation of the panda works as well. Alright, now that you have seen how panda reacts, let us jump into the coding part and start building this step by step. Open the VS Code and create a file named index.html. Let's begin with a standard HTML5 structure. Now changing the title. Next, we will add some animated background orbs to give a soft glowing effect. This is our main layout where we place login card and panda. This is the form section which holds the username and password fields. To enter username or email, I created a username field. This is the password field without SVG eye icons. To add eye icon in password field, I am visiting hereicons.com and searching for eye and choosing this one and copying it, pasting in input wrapper section. Next, copying the another I SVG and pasting next. Now changing the first SVG class attribute value to iIcon and placing ID attribute with value I show. Now repeating the same process to another SVG and placing ID attribute value to I hide and placing style attribute with display none values and properties. Now removing the two SVG icons and placing in a button tag. Now placing a hint and a button to submit. Now the login form structure is completed. Let's connect a CSS file. To connect CSS file, we need to place the CSS file name here. Let's place a selector rule with our customized properties. This is the background reset and body animation rules. Now this is the rules for floating or background. Now these are the rules for page layout and responsiveness. I have made a small mistake here. Now these are the rules for login page, card UI and form, fields, I buttons, etc. Now the login form is done. Let's create Panda with styling and structure. Now styling of the Panda have been done. Let's add functionality. Now place HTML tag to connect to script file. First, I am selecting all elements I need, and to control panda behavior, I am using a mode system. This function updates eye position by changing CSS variables and makes pupil move smoothly to make sure pupil never go outside the white part of the eye. So I am using the clam function. This part is really cool because it calculates the typing cursor position inside the input box so the panda can look exactly where we type. I am checking what panda should do based on the mode to look at the mouse and follow username and password typing positions. This is the main animation loop. It smoothly moves the pupil towards the new position. Now I am creating a set of small functions that controls panda behavior. Next, I am setting up focus and blurry event for both input fields. To make the animation smoother, I am updating the Panda eye direction whenever the user types, clicks, or moves inside the input field. Here, I am handling the password visibility toggle. To make the animation smoother, I am updating Panda's eye direction whenever user types, clicks, or move inside the input fields. This part adds a cool button hover animation. And finally, I start the animation loop and set the default mode to mouse tracking. The source code is available in the description and pinned comment. Alright, that's it for today's project. If you found this useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more animations, UI designs, and web development tutorials. Thanks for watching.